Or YouTube, so welcome back. Today I have a new video for you guys, and you have already read the title, but I'm gonna show you guys how to make an explosion effect. Now I'm using somebody else's thumbnail. I'm using soft GBs just for an example. Really nice piece of work. So yeah, I'm just going to use this for an example. I'm thinking about putting it like here. I know this is an airport, it's not supposed to be inappropriate or anything, but once again, just an example, okay? Alright, so I'm just using my quick selection tool right here to select some objects like this, because we are going to have the explosion go behind this right here. So we are taking these objects and bringing it forward so we can add the explosion behind this. Alright, so use this tool, quick selection, select what you want, and you want to hit right click and hit select mask. Right here, we're going to increase the radius here and smooth and some contrast, hit OK. Now just hit Ctrl J on your keyboard, and now we will have this separate. Okay, now we're gonna go on Google and we're gonna look for explosion PNG. Okay, as you can see right here, there are some good ones. Just pick one that you think looks nice. You could also have multiple and just layer them. So we're going to try a few here. I'm gonna save this one. All right, so I'm just going to place this one. I saved a couple. We're going to try. This is gonna go right here, and as you can see, this goes above this character, so we gotta take this part out. So the explosion will go right here, and now I'm gonna go to the filter, camera raw filter, and right here we're going to adjust this, to make this look better. So vibrance and texture, some clarity, like so, and you just want to adjust these values right here. Okay, this looks good to me. I'm gonna hit OK. There we go. And now we're also going to take this, copy it, Ctrl J, right click, hit rasterize layer. We're gonna go filter, blur. We're gonna hit let's go for radial blur. Let's hit zoom, hit OK. And now we can hit Ctrl T and enlarge this effect. Let's go for filter, blur, let's hit Gaussian blur. Let's take this and let's go to overlay mode, like so. We could bring this above here as well. Let's change the mode to screen. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Obviously, we have much more to go. This is going to look a lot better, so don't worry. Alright, let me see. Next step, I'm gonna copy this again, filter, blur. Let me go for more Gaussian blur. Like so. Turn this up. Let's go for screen. Right, there we go. Now for this one, the main layer, let's go filter, blur. Let's go back to radial blur. Zoom, lower the amount to like 3. Alright, have some blur here. And now I'm gonna add a color lookup to everything, so this will help a little bit. Let's find a nice filter, like so. Let's just make things look a bit more dramatic. This filter helps, so we could use this right here. Use your brush tool, make your color black, and use this to hide the effect in certain areas. But in general, since it is an explosion, the orange helps, as you can see. Copy, and let's go for soft light. Screen also helps. This also seems pretty good, so I'm gonna use this. Add this effect now, right here. Let's see where this can go. Possibly like right here, maybe. This will go above, and let's go filter, blur, radial blur, zoom 5. Enlarge this too. Let's go for screen. Let's go for overlay. Filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. Right. Okay, so we have 2 explosions here. I'm gonna open up the 7K pack. You guys can go ahead and get it free at gfxcommon.com. So link is going to be down below. I'm gonna go for smoke. Add this nice little effect right here. Move this behind, like so. All right, here's some smoke. You just want to add this right here. Let's just pretty much use your eraser tool to brush out the hard lines. Add some smoke. Use this one. Nice little effects here. So screen. And there's this one effect, I think is in particles. It's this one. You want this effect. Alright. And you can see it has these particles, which is what we want. Alright. Okay, so now we're gonna do some brushwork to make a new layer. Use your brush tool and let's go to the color orange. And now we're just gonna paint over some areas like the airplane here, the characters right here, like so. And make the mode soft lights. Lower the opacity. We're going to hit Ctrl J to copy, make the mode into screen, as you can see. Okay, so now we're going to click on the top layer, hold Shift, click on the bottom, hit Ctrl G to make a group, hit new layer. Let's go to image and hit apply image right here. We're gonna hit OK. I'm just gonna hide this and from here, let's go Ctrl J to make a copy. Let's go. Actually, and now let's go for more color lookups. Okay, so I think this is pretty good. Let's go Ctrl G to group, Ctrl J to copy, Ctrl E, and now we have this. I'm going to copy once again, camera raw filter right here. And now let's go to basic, texture up. Okay, so now Ctrl J to copy once more. Let's go to filter, blur, hit radio blur. Zoom, I'm going to move this up a little bit. Let's go 10. So okay. Let's use our eraser tool and just kind of erase away some areas. And let's lower the opacity to like 40, 45, 60. Now let's take a look at the before and after explosion. And yeah, that is going to be it for this video. If this helps you learn how to create an explosion effect, leave a like. That will be highly appreciated. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Check out our store, link is down below once more if you want the 7K pack too. And yeah, with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.